Have you ever wondered how a tiny robot can navigate its way through a maze? Or how a drone can hover in the air, capturing images from a bird's eye view? Or perhaps how artificial intelligence can recognize your face amongst a crowd? It's fascinating, isn't it? Welcome to the world of AI, drones, machine learning, and robotics. A world where science and technology intertwine to create miracles that were once within the realms of science fiction. Today, we will take you on a journey through the Young Scientists program, a unique initiative that nurtures the curiosity and creativity of young minds. This program, divided into 3 distinct stages, is designed to introduce and immerse children into the world of advanced technology and innovation from a tender age. The first stage of our journey begins with the primary level, designed for children between 7 and 10 years old. Here, the young scientists get a taste of the fascinating world of AI, drone technology, machine learning, and robotics. Rather than overwhelming them with technical jargon, the program focuses on providing elementary ideas in hands-on, joyful settings. Imagine a child's delight when they program a tiny robot to navigate a simple maze or use a simple AI tool to identify different shapes and colors. The joy of discovery, the thrill of creation, the satisfaction of problem solving all come together at this stage to nurture their curiosity and creativity. As we move on to the intermediate level designed for children between 11 and 14 years old, the program takes a deeper dive into these fields. It's not just about filling gaps in STEM education, but going beyond. The budding scientists get to experiment, explore, and experience AI, drone technology, machine learning, and robotics in a way that textbooks can't teach. They get a chance to build their drones, program AI to perform complex tasks, and much more. The goal is not just knowledge acquisition, but also the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Finally, we reach the advanced level, designed for teenagers between 15 and 18 years old. Here, the young scientists are not just learning about AI, drones, machine learning, and robotics. They are using these technologies to solve real-world challenges under expert supervision. This stage is all about application, innovation, and enterprise. The young scientists are not just consumers of technology, they are creators, innovators, and problem solvers ready to make their mark in the world. To summarize, the Young Scientist program is not just an educational initiative, it's a journey of discovery, exploration, and innovation. It's about nurturing curiosity, fostering creativity, developing critical thinking, and igniting a passion for science and technology. It's about preparing the young scientists for a future where AI, drones, machine learning, and robotics will be an integral part of their lives. It's about inspiring them to dream, to innovate, and to create a better future. So are you ready to embark on this fascinating journey?